What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste, greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you. I'll try to make very easy and simple teriyaki sauce recipe at home. Trust me guys, I'm gonna make very simple and easy recipe. You can easily make at your homes. Very sweet and really delicious teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki means, teri means the dressing, yaki means grill. So this teriyaki sauce we can use with the chickens, pork, beef, even with vegetables. So not only in sushi. So I love to say this is all kinds of versatile sushi sauce. So today I will make two different, like one very simple recipe and one is the thick teriyaki sauce. So you will learn two different teriyaki sauce in the same videos. To make the teriyaki sauce, firstly I'm going to use soy sauce. This is normal soy sauce. You can use what kinds of brands you want, you can use. Today I'm using here Yamasa brand. And also the important things is Mirin. It's the sweet cooking seasoning Mirin style Mirin. And this is totally optional, okay? Sake is the totally optional. If you have, you can use. Otherwise, it's no need to be worried. Today, I'll use the sesame oil also to give the extra level of aroma. I love to use sesame oil. 3 cloves of the garlic, small a piece of the fresh gingers. And sake, I'm going to use just a little bit. Okay, it's enough. So normally I love to say the recipe is very simple. Equal quantity of sugar, soy sauce and mirin. Almost 10 gram ginger and 10 gram garlic and little bit sake. Normally the process is very simple. You can mix all in together or you can use just a little bit sesame oil. You can fry this garlic and ginger and you can cook first the sake because sake has the alcohol. So alcohol will go out when you're gonna cook it. Then after you can put the soy sauce, sugar and mirin and you can mix it very well till it's become a thick. Or you can make very simple way. Take a stainless pot and put all the things in the here. Sugar, mirin. And you can use the sake. The ginger and garlic you can cut in a small pieces or you can grate. It's depend on you. I'm gonna grate it, okay? And also I'm gonna grate the garlic. Now you're gonna mix it and I'm gonna cook in a very low heat till it's become very thick, okay? And also if you want, you can put a little bit of water as well. Equal quantity of sake, you can put the water as well. I'm gonna simmer it very low heat. Let's go. And also for the ginger and garlic, you can do not to be great also. You can put a small piece, you can make a small piece and you can put here. But if you want a little bit more strong flavor, you can grate it. If you break down ginger and garlic, it will give more good flavor and strong flavor. Here I'm also making fish stock. I'm gonna put here. This is the burning part. This is the real flavor of teriyaki sauce. So always try to mix this burning part with teriyaki sauce, okay? It will give like a smoky flavor. I think it's done almost. If it's become a cool, it will be a more thick, and also if I put inside the fridge, it will be a more thick also. So for the normal teriyaki sauce, it's almost ready. So just I need to drain it. After that, I'll teach you how to make thick teriyaki sauce, okay? Let's go. Yes. How much thickness you want to make, it depends on you. Normally I already cooked almost 40 to 50 minutes this ones. I'm gonna drain it. It will give a good flavor. So I'm trying to take some juice from this ginger and garlic. Nice, it's done. Yes, you can see here the consistency is really good. It's literally hot. So in this time I can mix a little bit sesame oil to give extra aroma. Now I'm gonna keep it in the jar. It's good. Now you can see It's done. It's very good consistency. You can put this inside the fridge after it become totally cold. This teriyaki sauce we can use till 3 months if you are not using cornstarch. Okay, if you are using cornstarch, you can use just till 3 weeks or till 1 month. It's enough inside the fridge. To make the thick teriyaki sauce, I'm gonna use the cornstarch. I'll use the sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds. Okay, just a little bit. Then I'll use this normal teriyaki sauce. Also here I'm going to use the cornstarch. Yes. Our thick teriyaki sauce also ready. Yes, this is our thick teriyaki sauce. Here this sesame seeds is totally optional. If you don't want to sesame seeds, you can use just cornstarch and just little bit sesame oil as I used already with normal teriyaki sauce. You can comment below which teriyaki sauce you're gonna prefer, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.